So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-set ng two-factor authentication sa ating Snapchat account. But first, can you subscribe to my channel? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And kung to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Snapchat account or yung ating Snapchat app. And then, pagka-open guys, tap lang natin yung ating profile picture o yung ating profile. And then, dito naman sa profile guys, tap nyo naman dito yung settings button na nandito sa upper right corner. And ayan guys, dito naman, i-scroll up lang natin. And hanapin nyo guys dito yung two-factor authentication. So, tap nyo lang siya pag nakita nyo na. And then, after nyan, tap naman natin yung continue. So, dito naman guys is mamimili tayo kung ano ba yung gusto nating way kung paano tayo makaka-receive ng verification code. So, ang dalawang option kasi is, pwede siya through SMS verification, may magsasend ng OTP code through text message, and then authentication app. So, gagamit naman tayo dito sa pangalawa ng Google Authenticator. So, kumbaga, mag-generate siya ng code sa ating device habang gumagamit tayo ng Google. So, ito na lang pipiliin ko yung pinakang nasa unahan yung SMS verification para mas madali. So, tap nyo lang. And may magsasend na OTP code sa ating registered mobile number dito sa Snapchat. And doon nakalagay yung OTP. So, check nyo lang guys yung text message. And ayan, ilalagay nyo lang dito sa blank boxes yung OTP code. And ayan, after nyan, tap naman natin dito yung generate. So, for our security purposes, lagay nyo lang yung ating password ng Snapchat. So, ayan guys, ito yung pinaka-recovery code ng ating Snapchat account. So, save nyo na lang yung ating recovery code para in case na mag-log out tayo ng account, ito yung gagamitin natin para makapag-login tayo. So, tap nyo yung I wrote it down. So, ayan, may checkmark na yung ating SMS verification. So, nakaset na yung ating two-factor authentication. So, bako lang. And ayan guys, may checkmark na siya. So, ayun lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-set ng two-factor authentication sa Snapchat. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!